do you think? I'm gonna try out this new camera that I got. Is that alright with you guys? Ding, ding. It is like 50 some degrees out today. That's amazing. You know how that goes when it's been negative. It goes pretty good. I'm gonna drive around the parking lot though. I'm gonna smooth down some of the ruts. Another machine got dropped off today. I'll show you. $750C LGP down under the C-frame. The guy wants us to replace the balls. He wants us to fix his balls. Damn, that's a bad thing. Well, it's a good thing on a piece of equipment. Yeah, we gotta cut off the old ones and off the C-frame, and apparently they're pretty yuckled out. That's what we call it in the world, yuckled. Yuckled out. So you guys will have to tell me what, shut up, Ford truck, what you think of this video. I gotta get used to where to hold it and how far away and all that good stuff. And I'm just gonna do a short one here. Okay, I'm gonna pull into the shop. Put my truck away for the day. It's 47 degrees out, it says. I hope you're still recording. I don't know, are you still recording? Yeah, it says it's still recording. Maybe we'll get out and walk around in the dark. Open your jacket. Yeah, bear with me, gentlemen and ladies. We'll go turn some lights on quick. Yeah, it's getting to be later in the day here. I hope you guys liked the video. I bought some, you know me. I bought a adapter slash, oh, I found my old camcorder from way back in the Wayback Machine. You know the Wayback Machine? And I've been converting some analog video over to digital. And I gotta figure out some things. It's cool. It's a way to save all. I had one of them camcorders from the 2000s. That was all the best technology back then, but really kind of sucks compared to today. Anyways, the boys got some cable on. I think they got the cylinders repacked. We're gonna do one more cable here on this Motor Guida. Might as well do them both, right? Yeah, they got it off. Okay. They got it off already. Okay. Motor Guida operator. So that's it. That's about all I got. Been a quiet Saturday. I've been messing around on the computer on all my old YouTube stuff, trying to get caught up to where I was about, I don't know, a year ago. Oh, I gotta show you guys something. If you ever get to a Champion grader, Champion, how in the hell do you get these off? Well, I'll tell you how. You take a chisel and pop that holds the grease in, just a steel cap. He took a chisel and popped her out. There's a snap ring underneath there. I never saw that before. See? Lots of them like that. It's okay. I'm gonna shut this off and bid you farewell and try to upload it. And hey, and if you guys watch this, I should do this in the beginning, but I always forget. Hit subscribe. You know, watch all my videos. I'm trying to if the economy keeps going the way it is, I'm gonna have to make a living off of doing weird videos, you know. And that takes a lot of people. I'm just kidding. But. All right, see you, bye.